of emergency. Deepak Reddy Garu, if we can get back to the story about the disappointment amongst farmers of Andhra Pradesh after your government being in power for 1 year. The moot question as of now, and I made it very clear in my opening comments, it's not as if all the promises have not been fulfilled. I mean, I made mention of Talliki Vandanam, which is very, very important for the women of Andhra Pradesh, of course. But I'm asking you that despite the passing of 1 year, the 20,000 rupees, which was promised to be deposited in the accounts of farmers, you say that it's being done. But, it's 20th June was the last one when I heard, and correct me if I'm wrong. Today we are sitting on 26th of June. And the needle has not moved. And 1 year is a long time in the life of a farmer, Mr. Deepak Reddy.
As I told you, Sudhaji, even if you look at the pension, we are paying one of the highest in the country. If you compare it with UP, it's almost 3 times if you look at the population figures. That's how much is being paid. And in one go, from 3,000, it has been increased to 4,000. And arrear of 3 months, even before we came to power, 3 months arrear also was paid. So what I would like to make it very clear is one by one things are getting done, and there are certain figures we need to have a look at. If you look at the CAGR of agri sector in Andhra Pradesh, it is around 8.8%, whereas a neighboring state Tamil Nadu is only 4.8. So as a sector, we are doing very good. Andhra Pradesh ranks top nationally as far as livestock-based livelihood is concerned. Leading egg producer, 5th in meat, 7th in milk, number 1 in fisheries, and over 70% of India's aqua is exported from Andhra Pradesh.
Let me also add that Tamil Nadu has more farmers, as numbers compared to Andhra Pradesh. Karthik, thank you for your patience. I'm also going to, talk about the other aspect of it before you.
Good news. Our fixed deposit rates are still as high as 9.0% per annum. Invest smart for a better tomorrow. It's your money. Watch it grow. Choose Shriram Unnati.
Really kind of trying to speed up. One very obvious example of it is the Totapuri mangoes, which are being sold at 4 to 5 rupees per kilo. There's a crisis brewing in Andhra Pradesh. Even though the processing units had promised 12 rupees per kilo, it's not happening. Karthik, over to you. First, the 20,000 rupees, the delay. And secondly, the Totapuri mangoes crisis, which is really huge now.
Yeah, thanks, Sudhaji, for having me in the show. You got to allow me a little time. Mr. Deepak very cleverly dodged the question and was giving the status quo of the statistics of Andhra Pradesh that doesn't talk about how farmers of Andhra Pradesh feel. So what's there in the article? That's a good one. So what's not there in the article? I want to bring to your notice 80% of the people in Andhra Pradesh do not know that Kinjarapu Achennayidu is the agriculture minister of the state. And allow me how a categorical destruction to the agriculture sector has happened to the state of Andhra Pradesh. There is no YSR Yantra Seva. There is no agriculture testing labs. The Aqua University is stalled. The YSR's animal husbandry, the whole ecosystem is ended. The Fish Andhra outlets were vanished. No bonus is given to the groundnut farmers. Agricultural Advisory Board is dissolved. Ask them why it is dissolved. The mobile veterinary units are halted. Ask them why have they halted. The assigned lands and registration to the farmers is also cancelled. Now, I want to bring to your notice, Sudha, I'll tell you some economics today. 54 lakh farmers are there in the state of Andhra Pradesh, right? I don't know if Mr. Deepak knows that, because they have only documented 45 lakh farmers in the budget. Why there is 10 lakh delta is still what we're not understanding. If we give 20,000 rupees for 54 lakh farmers, it constitutes about 10,700 crores. You know what? The catch is, they have adjoined the scheme to the PM Kisan scheme, where they've actually expected 7,500 crores should be given by the PM Kisan scheme by the center. The rest is something which state would give.
Because of the 6,000 rupees which is included, Karthik, in the 20,000?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees times 54 lakhs is about 10,700 crores, right? Out of this, the important point stays here. 7,500 crores has been attached by PM Kisan scheme. The question is, TDP being in coalition with BJP, why the hell they are not getting the 7,500 rupees? Why people have voted, assuming that BJP and TDP coalition would brilliantly work. And not just that, Sudha. Only 1,000 crores has been allocated in the budget with 10,000 lakh farmers as a negative delta. That means instead of 54 lakhs, they only declared 45 lakhs in the budget. Even single paisa is not spent as of today out of these 1,000 crores. They write the Bharosa Kendras. 34,288 crores.
You know,
I think, if I'm not wrong, should be
Karthik,
spent.
you know what? You're an economist. You read economics. But the point is that statistics, something can actually, spell the death knell for viewers. Let's just decode it very simply. I mean, fantastic that you come up with data. Now, I'm just asking you a simple question. No, Karthik, please, because, I'm sorry, but we had to spend time with the Home Minister as well. So I'm asking you a moot question. The delay in 1 year of 20,000 rupees, how does that impact a life of a farmer in Andhra Pradesh, Karthik?
It hugely impacts, right? When we talk qualitatively, there is 20,000 not given to the farmers. There is no minimum support price. And you yourself is telling that 70% reduction is there with the actual price versus the reality price, right? You know, what would happen to farmers? The electricity is not that great. And there's no disaster relief funds. There is no e-crop insurance. None of that is happening, Sudha. The whole point is, if 80% of the people of
It's
Andhra
not
Pradesh in the
happening. Is
survey
it because
does-
we see Mr. Naidu making several visits to New Delhi, wanting money because the exchequer was running empty? Mr. Deepak Reddy, I have seen many visits by I don't want to go into, they got maximum budget allocation of all the, NDA partners, him and Nitish. That's a dumb thing. I'm asking you, is it because he's unable to fulfill what is part of the Super 6, which is this particular scheme of, 20,000 rupees to the farmers? Is it because he's just unable to do it because there is no money?
Udaji, if you see the Super 6 promises,
Right.
we are implementing one by one. And let me make it absolutely very clear. Most of the facts which have been told by the YCP representative are totally false. I have a clear list with me. 4.5 lakhs soil sampling was done. And he was telling that, the central government share is part of the 20,000. That's exactly what they did. They paid only 13,500 when they were in power in the last 5 years. And we have jacked up that price to 20,000. And out of the 13,500, what they paid, that was also central government thing was adjusted within that. So how mischievously the heartburn is at display is something which is shocking. And we have gotten so much of, changes. So one by one it is getting done. And this thing has been announced by Acham Naidu ji just last few days. It is on the way. Only the bureaucratic,
soil sampling and soil testing was also an electoral promise. I remember it very, very well when you were campaigning across. Let me come to the other
Yes,
point.
ma'am.
What about the
4.5 lakhs were done.
Totapuri? Yeah, what about the Totapuri mango crisis?
Yes,
Why is no one
coming
ready
to
to
that.
speak about it? Go on.
Yes, ma'am. Coming to that also, Totapuri, 168 crores has been given for price stabilization and for modernization of rice, Raitu Kendras, 500 crores has been given for expansion of the cooling places, 150 crores has been given. Insurance, 800 crores has been already paid. For sugarcane farmers, 200 crores has been released. For Matsyakara, that is the fishermen, 259 crores has been given. For sorghum, 40 crores price stabilization fund has been given.
That is, all that is. But Mr. Deepak Reddy, on the ground, Deepak Reddy Garu, on the ground, it is all on paper, sir. On the ground, 20,000 is still pending. Totapuri is, selling at 2 to 4 rupees. Sir, come on. Also, tenancy farmers, you see. Tenancy farmers, that was one of the major things. They are
also
completely...
included, Sudaji. Are also included.
You have to allow me, Sudha.
Yeah,
because
Karthik, go on,
farmers are not
Karthik,
needed.
go on, Karthik, go on, because I see
Absolutely.
that they have not got recognition cards. They are one major disempowered group amongst the agrarian community in Andhra. Karthik, go on.
Yes.
Not
Yeah,
ju-
please, Sudha.
not-
Please
not-
give me some
not-
time.
not just the tenant
agrarian-
farmers, including
Please, Sudha, please
special
allow
rights
me
for
to
women
speak
are
because
being given.
I feel I'm not getting enough time. Please, Sudha, can you please allow me to speak?
I mean, you don't have to say please at all. Please go ahead. I'm just saying that
Yeah.
if we...
So,
Go
because
ahead.
I'm being interrupted, so 36 to
Kindly
37%
say
is...
the facts. kindly say the
So,
facts.
36.
Don't
Yes, I
put the
am.
heartburn
So
on
I
display.
am. I am, Mr.
Please say the
Deepak.
facts.
I am quoting the facts. I'll give you the page numbers and where I've got the data. We are not talking in the air. So minimum support price. The moon gram, green gram, red gram are all about between 5,000 to 8,000 rupees. The reality is only 1,500 rupees is actually fulfilled. The question is very simple. You know, I want to let country know the false promises, and then today we are saying that we are recalling the manifesto because they've given the bonds to the people signed by Honorable Chief Minister today, by then Chandrababu Naidu and Pawan Kalyan, that hey, we are coming and we're going to do this on a signed paper. None of that is getting fulfilled. Farmers are unhappy. That also what survey tells. 80% of the people doesn't even know that Mr. Acham Naidu is actually the agriculture minister. Even I figured out a couple of hours back that he's agriculture minister.
I
by the
read
way.
about that
But what's
line. I ignored it.
Then-
I ignored
then you don't
it.
belong to
Right.
Andhra
So-
Pradesh.
I ignored
the
it.
point-
Karthik
No,
doesn't belong to
I
Andhra
don't think.
Pradesh.
Karthik,
He's
the
probably
point,
from-
the
he's
point.
probably from
Okay, let's come
Telangana.
back to the point. The point
I mean,
is,
if you don't know who the
Karthik,
we have-
agriculture minister is, it's pretty pathetic, and you
Yeah,
don't belong
I mean,
to Andhra
that's
Pradesh.
not
You don't
really-
belong here.
You know,
would
for the
the facts.
longest time, for
let's
the-
come back. Let's come back. So the farmers in the state are completely unhappy. We
Sudhaji,
demand
That's the question.
20,000
That
rupees.
is the moot
I
point.
bet you-
It is not
That is-
about
yeah.
whether there are shrimp
Whether he
farmers,
resides in Andhra
you are the
Pradesh-
largest producers, whether it is MSP pricing, whether it is Totapuri mangoes, whether it is turning Rayalaseema into a horticulture hub, and most importantly, where are my 20,000 rupees? It is my
That's the
major
question that-
thing.
Exactly.
That is
Exactly.
only going
That
to
is the
roll it.
question.
This is a rolling kind of you can't possibly deprive me for an entire year and then come back and say, here you have it. It's not possible to sustain in such an atmosphere, Deepak Reddy Garu, is my question.
And farmers are dying.
No,
with
that I
suicides.
I don't have statistics for farmers dying, so I will
Yeah,
not. Maybe
farmers
you
are-
have it. I don't.
Farmers were dying during YCP regime. I have the figures. You can check the figures, Sudhaji. In suicides, it was second highest in India during their regime. So Mr. Karthik, a non-resident Andhra Pradeshian, he doesn't know the facts. So you kindly check your facts. You will know, because we were the people. We stalled the assembly during the earlier regime, and Jagan Mohan Reddy could not answer. During his poll campaign, he said he would be giving 13,500, and he paid only 6,000 from state
have
share,
fulfilled
7,500 from
fulfilled
state share,
98%
and the
of
balance came from
promises.
center.
I'll come back.
So,
I'll come back.
It's
all-
not
all
about
said and
BJP
done, all
versus
said and done.
YSRCP. The elections are
One
over.
last thing.
The elections.
We have done the math. We
When
have
are the
done the math.
farmers getting
We
their
have paid
20,000 rupees?
Exactly. That's the question.
106%
When
more
Deepak,
for social welfare schemes
Mr.
than what
Deepak,
YCP
when
paid.
are the farmers getting 20,000 rupees as per your promise and signed by the bond by Mr. Chandrababu Naidu and Mr. Pawan
Shortly it will
Kalyan?
get done.
When?
Shortly it will get
When?
done.
We need a date.
Shortly
We
it will
need a
get done.
date.
Sudhaji, you can
We are
check the
speaking-
fact.
We
You
are
can check the
speaking on
fact.
behalf of the people. Mr. Deepak, we need a date.
106%. We have paid more in the first 1
We
year in
need a
social
date,
welfare
Mr.
scheme
Deepak.
than the YCP period.
How long
It's
we have
not
to wait?
about-
We are speaking on behalf of the people.
Yeah, it's not
When are we
about
going to
whether
get
you've
our
done
bond
better
papers
than
fulfilled?
YSRCP, how Jagan could not match up to his father, etc., etc. It's about the rights of the farmers. You know, Karthik, let me also add a small statistic. Civil Supplies Minister N. Manohar, he's directly credited 12,000 crores into farmers' accounts for Kharif and Rabi seasons. You know, things are happening. But the moot question is this. Why is anybody unhappy? I am unhappy. You promised me 20,000 rupees. You say shortly. Now, shortly it can mean 1 week from now, this evening, next month, or 6 months from now. That's all I wanted to know. That's about it. When you say, Mr. Reddy, because earlier, whenever you've been on my show, you've said tomorrow means it will happen. But I know that the government does not run according to what you are deciding. But there has to be your commitment towards the agrarian community has to be such that if it was not 20th June, can it be 20th July? That's the question. I hope.
The minister was on air, Sudhaji, and he's given a confirmation just a few days ago. It is just a matter of few days. It would be done, Sudhaji.
I hope
in my
it is
opinion.
done, because there is a lot of, unrest, disillusionment and disappointment which is actually spreading across farmers in Andhra Pradesh. But I hope the government will pull up its socks and do something like spokesperson Deepak Reddy said. Thanks are due to him, and also to Karthik Yellapragada, national spokesperson for the YSRCP, for joining us on the opening debate on the South Indian.